Today we are checking out this modified Stage 2 Audi A6 here. What exactly is this car that we're looking at?
My 2016 Audi A6, supercharged, 6-cylinder, all-wheel drive.
What have you done to the car since you've owned it?
Since I've owned it, it's been completely stock when I bought it. Put some new wheels, tires on it, full brakes. I've done the ECU tune, it's a Stage 2. I've done the TCU tune, transmission tune. Full AWE exhaust with downpipes, intake, and then little carbon bits here and there.
Where did you get it tuned?
So Worldwide Import Automotive in town, they do a great job. They're the only people that touch this. They touch it before the dealership will, so.
Okay. How much was the car, if you don't mind, when you bought it? And then how much have you put into it since then?
So it was a really bad, really good situation. I won't get into it, but I paid 18 grand for it in 2019 with 44,000 miles on it. I put about 43,000 on it, so she's sitting at about 80, almost 80,000 right now.
Okay.
About 14 grand.
14 grand you put into it?
About 14 grand.
All right.
I don't like it, but.
Yeah. What made you want to buy one of these?
So actually, it's kind of a funny story. My whole life when I was a kid, growing up, I've never wanted to buy a German car. I've always kind of been steered away by them. And this one popped up and I had to buy it. And it just, since then, I've loved it.
What's the fastest this car has gone? It could have been on a track.
183 miles an hour.
Oh my gosh. Are you working towards another car? You got like a dream car in mind? Or are you just going to keep plowing away with this car and upgrading it?
So I think I'm actually basically done upgrading this one. It's sitting right now super reliable and powerful, and I don't really want to make it not reliable. So I'm just going to pretty much stick with it how it's sitting now. Next car, I think I'm going to go Pro-charged Grand Sport Corvette. That's what
that'd be
That's
sweet.
what I want.
As far as performance details, can you go into that a little bit?
I've never put it on a dyno. There's no all-wheel drive dynos local to us, so never really been able to go that route. But based off of what like APR says, all these companies say, crank, it should be sitting about 520 horsepower.
Okay. All right. Well, what are they stock?
Stock 333.
Okay, that's a huge difference.
A little bit. So when I first put the Stage 1 tune on, it added, I want to say 120, 130 horsepower, just the tune.
Sheesh.
Which is crazy.
All right, well, let's take it on a spin.
Let's do it. That's 70 right there.
Oh my gosh.
Like I'll downshift, I'll go to third, and I'll push it 2 inches.
Oh my goodness. If you're liking the video so far, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to help me get to 1,000 subscribers. I mean, this is like a nice luxury interior too. It's not just sporty, it's really comfortable, and it got heated seats.
Heated in the back too.
Heated seats in the back. Does this car have launch mode? Or you just, it does? What? That was sweet. There's like no wheel spin, it just takes off. That is so fast.
It's like no effort to drive this thing.
All right, my turn to drive. I won't floor it right away, don't worry. Oh, that sounds good.
You want to floor it? Floor it.
Oh my goodness. Oh, this feels just so good. It's so smooth. I mean, steering, I can steer with 2 fingers. It's like, it's so smooth.
So responsive.
It is. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love the sound when it shifts. I mean, it's at like 6,500 or 7,000 and you upshift and there's a little pops. Oh, it sounds
Audi
so
toots.
good. Audi toots?
Yep.
So it's really just stock. I mean, it's got some exhaust, cold air intake, and then it's just tuned.
Yep.
So
Exactly.
the tune literally gives it 200 more horsepower.
Yep.
Well, thank you. That was freaking awesome. I might have to buy one now, so.
Do it.
All right.
Join the squad.
All right.